Hello there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios, and today we are going over some of the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. This is the Bellababy double electric breast pump, and you guys, this is a great option. This is one of the ones that are more on the economical side, but it still has thousands, like 6,000 5-star reviews. This is rated really highly, and it's just a great option. It's gonna be quiet, it's lightweight, it's easy to take with you on the go, rechargeable, long battery life, all of those things that you are looking for if you are a mom on the go. And who doesn't need a little more time, a little more time with your newborn and spending less time pumping? This is a great option. There are a variety of settings, both massage settings and levels of intensity for your suction, and you can change them all on their very large, easy to read, easy to use, one-touch LCD screen that's going to give you all of your stats really clearly, really simple and easy to use. It's one less thing that you have to think about. It really takes all of the guesswork out. This is going to be a super hygienic, closed system. It's going to stop any sort of contamination, and it keeps any backflow from clogging up those pumps and tubes. You guys need to check this one out. Put it in your cart or put it on your registry. You're gonna be really happy that you did.